This device is called a harmonograph. It's not an important scientific device, but it makes these pretty pictures. This may look familiar to you because some of these designs are used on American currency. I designed and built this one with some 3D printed parts. It has a piece that moves back and forth that way, and a piece that moves back and forth that way. So the arm here holding the pencil can go around in circles and ovals and things like that. But that's not the only way it can move. This is free to spin in all directions. So let's get that going in some pattern, and we'll just let it draw. Bring the camera over so you can watch what it's doing. All right, I'm going to stop the camera here and put a new sheet of paper in there, and we'll try another one.